Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Thursday, September 25, 2025. Opening brief. What's up fam? It's your girl Rattles, best in travel channel hosting, passport ready, carry on ready. I'm serving real travel talk, real fast. Buckle up, no tray tables, just tea. First brief. Gate change marathon. What happened? Neutral, a last minute gate swap had a whole concourse speed walking like it's cardio hour. No injuries reported, just folks hustling with neck pillows. Baby, they said, gate B2 to F99. F where? I ain't running unless Rihanna on the intercom, chilly. Second brief. Carry on scale surprise. What happened? Agents weighed rollers at boarding, a few travelers reshuffled shoes into hoodies to meet limits. No brand names, no shade, just policy. They told sis, 7 kilos. She put a sneaker in her bonnet, okay. TSA said new category, Athel hair. Respectfully. Third brief. Pool towel economics. What happened? Resort used towel cards, guests lined up like it was tax season. Everyone got dry, nobody got fined, just logistics. Man, they guarding them towels like gold bars. I'm like, wrap me twice, I tip nice. Period. Wildcard brief. Baggage claim Dominoes. What happened? At a busy baggage carousel, one suitcase tipped and set off a gentle domino wobble. Staff paused the belt, restacked the bags, and reopened the lane. No injuries, no damage, just a quick reset. Baby, them bags fell like they heard last call at the club. My carry-on did a tilt, I did a shimmy, and the auntie next to me caught a Samsonite like a wide receiver. We good though, everybody got their luggage and their dignity back. PSA, if your bag got weak ankles, give it 6 feet like it's famous. Try royalty-free footage of a baggage carousel, e.g., search baggage claim on Pexels/Pixabay, or film your own clip. Always get creator permission before reposting UGC. Travel tip of the day. Pack a flat tote. Gate change. Boom, throw your jacket, snacks, and a shoe situation in there. Hands free, stress low. Fourth brief. Quiet car. Not quiet. What happened? Train quiet car reminder played, one rider's mini speaker got politely checked by staff. Ended calm. Sir thought he was DJ Amtrak, volume 0, mix still mid. Fifth brief. Cruise deck elevator traffic. What happened? Elevators packed after sail away, crew directed folks to stairs, flow improved, vibes intact. Elevator said, capacity 12, y'all brought 19 and a flower tie. I took the stairs and met my step goal and a bartender. Sixth brief. Rental car glitter cleanup. What happened? Return bay handled a sparkle heavy vehicle, party weekend energy. Staff used shop vac, all contractual, no drama. That car looked like Beyonce sneezed in it. Beautiful, but baby, glitter got a lease term too. Closing brief. For chill deals and zero drama, peep breathtakinglagoon.com, one click, no cap. Stay booked, stay blessed. Peace. Rattles out.